Hey there. If you're dealing with sensitive teeth, you're not alone. It's a common problem that can make enjoying your favorite foods a nightmare. But have you ever wondered why it happens? Tooth sensitivity often comes from enamel erosion, gum recession, and mineral loss. These issues expose the softer, sensitive parts of your teeth. Most commercial toothpastes, they just mask the pain. But wouldn't it be better to fix the problem at its source? Here's the truth. Your enamel is like a shield that protects your teeth. When it starts to wear down from acidic foods, sugary drinks, or even brushing too hard, it exposes nerves that can cause pain. And let's not forget gum recession, which can also expose those sensitive areas. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There's something called the navy tooth repair hack. It's a natural solution designed to support enamel repair and reduce sensitivity from within. Unlike commercial toothpastes, which use chemicals to numb the nerves, the Navy hack works by helping your enamel rebuild itself. So, what's in this Navy tooth repair hack? It's packed with natural minerals and ingredients that help remineralize your teeth, making them stronger and less sensitive. Think of it as giving your enamel the nutrients it needs to heal. If you're tired of just masking the pain and want a real solution, give the Navy Tooth Repair Hack a try. Your teeth will thank you. Click the link below to learn more and start your journey to healthier, happier teeth today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on natural health and wellness.